In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Chronos in Untitled Boxing Game. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to acquire the Chronos fighting style, and also I'm gonna give you a basic overview. So it is a fight style available here through the left side of the screen when you access the fighting style gacha menu, and you will be able to find it under the legendary styles with a 1% drop chance for any of these, including the Chronos style. So to get it, you just have to use the wheel here until you get lucky and you receive the Chronos style. Once you get the Chronos style, it should be equipped immediately into any of the free slots that you have at the left side of the screen, and you will be able to use it. Now, sadly, on this account, I won't be able to show you actual gameplay, but I'm still gonna give you an overview, so just make sure to listen. So, Chronos is a defensive and quick style that has the special ability Focus, which is a unique mode that slows time and buffs the user. You can access it by doing flashy things like emoting, countering, and perfect dodging, and you can keep the buff going indefinitely if you continue to do those things. This gives you really fast punches and high stamina, however, it is very fragile. Your focus is easily lost if you get hit. So the Chronos style main feature is its incredible speed, similar to Hanslow or Freedom, and like I said, the special ability Focus. So immediately upon activating it, you will be able to concentrate to your limit and enter a world of your own. And like I said, it basically slows time down so you can get insane damage output. Your light swings carry a brief wind-up before launching forward with a powerful hook aimed to the opponent's face, leaving behind a shimmering gold trail. For your heavies, they alternate from left to right and entails the player's arms and shoulder reeling back for a moment before speeding outward. An interesting note is that the Chronos fires its heavies from the right arm twice in a row before alternating to the left arm for just one swing. And for the ultimate, it is titled Bullet Time, which is basically a taunting ultimate. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Chronos in Untitled Boxing Game. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.